Hello, I'm going to be making my Halloween costume. I'm going to be a mental patient. Um, sorry. My oldest daughter is going to be Samara from the Ring. And, my baby girl, well, she's not really going into anything because it's going to be chilly. And I'm going to have her bundled up. But she's going to have a tutu on. It's from whenever my first daughter was 2 years old, I've had it, so. And I went to Goodwill for my first daughter's costume. It was one of the weekends. It was the 50% off Saturday, like the first Saturday of every month. It was one of them days. I think it was like last month. I went the first Saturday and I got her. I couldn't really find a gown for her, so I found a white dress and a white skirt. So I mean, it's Samara-ish. So I got the dress. It was for, I think, $4.99, and I got 50% off. And then her skirt was, I think, $1.99. I'm thinking, I can't remember. And I got her wig from Walmart. But with my costume, I've got the hospital gown from whenever I had her. So I got it for free. Got some sandpaper. I'm going to see if this works. Sorry for the movement. My daughter. I got sandpaper. I'm going to see if this works. Now, I've seen it on another video, but she didn't use it. She just said something about it. So, yeah. I'm going to see if this works. And then, I really don't know a way to make it dirty. Because I want to make it dirty. Like, where it looks like, you know, I've lived in a nasty, you know, mental house. And then, later, I'm going to be doing my makeup on another video. Sorry. My noisy 1-year-old, she loves to scream. But, that, and I got me my, sorry, Halloween pants on. And just a old t-shirt. But, if you can think of anything, you know, any other ways of making costumes, like if you like to do your own costumes or your own kids' costumes, or, you know, you remember a costume your mother, your grandmother made you when you were a kid, and, you know, what are you going as this Halloween? What is your kids going as this Halloween? Comment down below. Like and subscribe. I'm going to be making a lot of different videos. And, yeah, hopefully you like this one. Here we go. Sorry about the trash can. If my daughter's in the video. But that's what you get when you're a single mother. Alright, let's see if this works. Got my sandpaper. Let's see if this works. Making it distressed. And my daughter thinks she's gonna help me. Are you gonna help me, Willow? Is he gonna help me? It's making it somewhat, kind of. I just got it for $1.46 at Walmart, so I don't know if it's the greatest kind. I mean, I'm doing what I can. Now, if it doesn't look too distressed and whatever, who cares? I'll use scissors and make my own hose through it. And I was trying to make it where it's, you know, not too bad. Because, you know, I want to keep it because it was from whenever my first daughter was born. But, you know, I mean, hey, I'm going to wear it next year too. My first daughter went from My Little Pony, I think, 3 years. But she was obsessed with Rainbow Dash. So she went as Rainbow Dash for a long time. But I spent it, my mom spent $30 on that costume, not me. My mom did. Went to, oh, sorry. My daughter thinks it's funny. If y'all have 1-year-olds and you understand what I'm going through and being a single mother, so, but me and my first daughter wanted it. I don't really have the money to get a nice camera right now, so, but me and my daughter would love to go and do, haunts and stuff, but if I had a camera, and I don't really have a phone at the moment, I mean, I don't have a lot of money going on right now, so I'm doing what I can, but my first daughter wants to do some stuff, like haunts and stuff, where, I mean, because there's a cemetery across the street, like a little plot. Well, it's not really a cemetery. I wouldn't call it a cemetery. I mean, because there's not a lot of, this is kind of doing it. I mean, I'm picking off, you can see, like, the fuzz stuff. Kids. But, it's working. It's making it distressed. I don't even want to use a tea bag, really, to make it dirty. And I don't really have dirt outside. I mean, I live in the country, and you think I would have dirt, but it's kind of muddy since it's been raining, so I'm not going to put mud on it. That, and we have more, we just got rocks laid down, and got more grass in the rocks, so, you know, because we've had rain, so we've had the driveway washed out, so we had to, Mom had a, I love my mom, if you want to know, by the way. That's why I keep on talking about my mom. So, it's, I don't know if you can see that. I mean, it looks like it's making it, like, stress. I'm sorry about my laptop. It's not the high price laptop. And it's an HP, and it's, hey, I mean, I like HPs. They're good. But better than one I used to have. I had one of the Chromebook Samsung things. Sorry. Excuse me. There. It's making it a little bit distressed, and my daughter's trying to help me. Sorry, I can't really make it where, you know, I'm gonna put this down here on the floor. Maybe you can see it better, but I'm trying to be, where you can see me doing this. Okay, Willow Esther, move out of the way. This little triangles are doing it. I don't really know what to use for making it look dirty. I mean, no, Willow. Sorry, I'm getting over being sick. I live in southern Indiana, so weather here can get sucky. There we go, we're getting it. I mean, I don't know if you can see that, but it looks like it's making it like it looks like there's a hole right there. I mean, it's getting there. I mean, it ain't gonna be perfect, but it's gonna look somewhat. My daughter always wants me to dress up with her. The 1 year that she went as My Little Pony, my first daughter, because she's only one, so she really, this is kind of her second Halloween, so last year she went as Batgirl. And she was just born on October the 7th, so. But yeah, like this video if you like this. I mean, I love Halloween. Do y'all love Halloween? What's your favorite holiday? I don't know. My family really doesn't get together anymore. So, Halloween's my day. So, that and I love my Black Friday. Ain't a holiday, but, you know, when you're a mother, that's a holiday because you get sales, and that's when I go out and get Christmas presents. That and my daughter's birthday's right after Christmas, my oldest, so I get her some Christmas presents then. Movies and the pajamas that are goes on sale and stuff, so, and then other stuff like that. Does it look like it's going now? Pretty good, yeah. Oh, my favorite shows are like paranormal shows and stuff. I've been watching some of them YouTube videos, channels. I mean, like, oh my gosh, TV. I love that channel. And I love Most RG and all them dudes. And G-Team, Paranormal. And then I like on TV, which I don't really have TV or anything, so. But I watch it wherever I can, like on, you know, wherever I can. I watch Ghost Adventures. So, I don't live that far from Waverly Hills. I live like maybe 59 minutes. I don't live that far. So, I've never been there. Nope, never been there. Not really had anybody to go there with. So, I always wanted to go there. There's like one time I was gonna go there. There was this one dude I was gonna go hang out with and go there with. But when we got there, it was crowded. I mean crowded. You don't even know. It was awful crowded. And I was like, And the people were saying, you're gonna be sitting in here forever. We've been here for almost an hour or two. Well, no, baby girl. Sorry. But, I was like, no, it ain't happening. I was like, let's just forget this. I'm not big on, like, I was going to the haunted house, which I would love to go on Ghost Tour there.